Okay, so we're here kind of near the World Trade Center. So that's the World Trade Center right there. Nice beautiful palm tree. And we got this beautiful mural. Thought it's kind of interesting. So we're gonna follow it and go around this block and see what we can see. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. This is I don't know exactly what it is, but it's kind of cool. There's beautiful lights and kind of and then we have this nice pedestrian path with this beautiful sign. So we're just gonna follow this around the corner, and I don't know, I thought it was just kind of interesting just how massive it is. And it looks like there's a little media company there. So some product out of China. So we're gonna follow this around, and right to the left, straight ahead, is the Grand Prix entry point. So I definitely want to get around into that area as well and just kind of show you. And you can see this black and yellow right here too, which is also part of the Grand Prix. So of course right now it's just a normal regular street, but in the Grand Prix days they'll go right down here real quick, real fast, go around these little corners, and then they'll angle their way towards the Gia Hill, and around Gia Hill I mean. So big massive parking garage right here. Didn't realize there was a parking garage here. Yeah, I don't know how parking is at a premium. It's quite expensive in Macau to own a space. So right up here there's a big Macau sign, and it says 19 and 22. You can maybe see a slight bit of it. It says November. So I wonder, I don't think they're gonna have it this year, but I don't know if they've canceled it yet or not. And right here is the lobby to a hotel. I will remember the name of that in a minute, but I want to focus on this Grand Prix sign. And there it is, Macau Grand Prix. And let's just see what the date, it does say 20 something. Let's see if that's last year, 2019, or if it's going to say 2020. Waldo Casino's there. But yeah, actually this is the booth, 2020, okay, 2020. So there you go, Macau Grand Prix, November 2019. I wonder if they're gonna have it with the COVID era. It's hard to say. Anyways, that's the World Trade Center. You can see WTC, World Trade Center. So this is basically a little corner where there's the World Trade Center and the Macau Grand Prix, and there's a hotel right here. And I think I might finish it in that spot. And this one is called the Grand Lapa. It's actually kind of a cool place. It's a nice lobby. That is a hotel, is like a dinner and restaurant right there. Sorry, bar and restaurant, where that window's at. Okay, so I think we're gonna end it right there. You got Waldo, you have the Grand Prix, and you have the World Trade Center. And that's gonna be it for this one. Maybe we'll just call it the World Trade Center, you know, why not? But basically, since I will turn into World Trade Center, it's basically a run-right building. It's kind of interesting because there's also going to be another World Trade Center that's going to be in Hengqin, and it's going to be dealing with a lot of money, and it's going to be maybe a pretty big financial center in the future. So, so anyways, this is the one that's in Macau, and it's it'll be interesting to see how things go. They're trying to shift more money from Hong Kong into Macau, I think, and especially with the Chinese, Portuguese-speaking world. So, so anyways, this is a tiny little World Trade Center. Behind it, that little star is Star World. So there's a star right up there. So, anyways, I think we're gonna end it right in this spot, and we'll probably call this one the World Trade Center. And here's the backside of the World Trade Center right here. So you can see this big playground and same parking garage that we walked by before. And then just a little reference, the World Trade Center is not far from Sands Casino, from Grand Lapa. Over there is that's a cool statue, Shanghai. There's another street right there called that under the same name, so maybe we might follow that later. Anyways, that's the World Trade Center right over there, and there's all these kind of commercial and residential blocks. So let's end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.